Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Step number 1, select this link, then click on copy. Step number 2, paste your link in here and click on shorten. Step number 3, get 1,000 people to your Clickbank offer and then get paid like this. I will show you everything step by step that you must do. I'll give you free websites and most importantly, how to promote Clickbank products without getting banned. Also, at the end of this video, I'll share a way to automate Clickbank product sales so you can start making money with Clickbank affiliate marketing without a website with completely free traffic. So the first step, go to clickbank.com. Now, Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace that has thousands of products that you can sell and make money with. And the reason Clickbank is better than most other products is that they sell digital products. And the good thing about digital products is that you can get a way higher percent of the sale compared to physical products where you're only gonna make anywhere from 2 up to about 8%, but here you can actually make 50 all the way up to 75% of every sale, making it a lot easier for you to make money. All you need to do is click on sign up, enter your first name, last name, then don't read the terms and conditions and then sign up. Now that you're on the inside, you can see that we have all these different affiliate categories that we can sell and make money with. Now the niche that we're going to talk about today is the manifestation / new age spirituality type products. So it's right here. So all you have to do is just click on this right here. Here you can see a lot of different products, but I want you to sort the results by gravity. That means the highest selling. And here you can see the gravity of this product is 201. That means that 201 people has gotten at least one sale the last 2 weeks. So 200 people selling this, that's quite a lot of people, right? And this one is called numerologist.com. Fully personalized VSL doubles conversion rates. Appeals to PD, new age, self-help, law of attraction, and new YouTubers. So this is the sales page that somebody would end up on if you send them there. And let's just go through it together. So first name, Andy. And I haven't really said this to you guys before, but my birthday is November 8th. And if you want to send me a gift, just don't, because I'm a minimalist and I don't really like material objects. But that's beside the point. Let's get into the shit right now. Okay, life pass. Whoa, you hear this?
At numerologist.com. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a quick yet deeply revealing analysis of your unique numerology chart. Your life path number is a 6, and empathic, with the gift of making everyone around you happy and in charge in all ways.
Hey, how do you know all this?
You're always looking for ways you can support a greater cause. You are humble, yet carry a strong sense.
Damn, this guy is giving me more compliments than my girlfriend ever did. Go and sit through all of this because it's gonna take forever, I think. But here you can see the different offers that they have. And it's pretty interesting, right? They have like the personality decoder, daily numeroscope, deluxe numerology report, and all of these products. And the crazy part is that you can make a lot of money because they have a lot of products. One of the things that is extremely important once you do affiliate marketing is that you have to have a myriad of products to sell. You can't just sell one product when you do affiliate marketing. But if you wanted to promote this, you can literally just click on promote right here, then enter your account nickname, generate hop links, and this is now your affiliate link. If anybody goes through your affiliate links and buys from you, you're gonna make $11. And not only that, you have about $4.3 recurring monthly commissions. So that means that you're gonna make some passive income as well. And I'm all about that recurring, baby. Now just take your long, ugly link and go into bit.ly.com. Paste it in here and click on shorten. Now you have this beautiful tiny link that you can post anywhere and make money with that. Now, step number 2 is to go to freeplrdownloads.com. Now, I want you to just search numerology right here and click on search. As you can see, we have a free MRR ebook, Natural Numerology. So just click on that right here. This one contains 35 pages and all you need to do is literally click on download. And if you open this, you can see natural numerology right here, and this is the ebook. So here, if I continue scrolling a little bit down, you can see all of this content you can use, reuse, and edit and turn it into my favorite way of making money, which is to make a YouTube video. But you don't have to film your face, you don't have to talk into the microphone, and it's gonna be super simple for you to make a video like this. And I mean, this ebook is so long that you could probably make more than one video from this for sure. And then I want to show you the MRR license. Can be sold, yes, can sell resale rights or master resale rights. You can add the product into your product bundle or package and sell for a higher price. So as you can see, literally copy this, you can even sell it, slap a price number on it, and that is what PLR really is. So the next step is going to be to go to YouTube and search for manifest. As you can see right here, we have some crazy views. Look at this, World Pharmacy, 2.7 million views. You have here 1 year ago, 3.3 million views. Monimation Manifested, literally a faceless channel, getting 910,000 views. You see this one as well, just stock footage, and they're getting 1.4 million views. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in just a minute, but let me just show you a couple of channels. So the first one I want to talk to you about is Numerology Secrets. This channel is getting about 30,000 views each and every month. Now, that's not that impressive if you watch this channel for quite long. What is impressive, and what I really want to show you, is that they stopped posting 5 years ago. Yeah, that's right. He made 100 videos, and then 5 years later, he's still selling this numerology product. So if I go in the description right here and I click on Numerology Secrets, it's literally going to a numerology offer, and this is a Clickbank offer that you literally is doing the exact same that we just did. It's probably gonna say my name and say that I'm intelligent and stuff like that. Anyways, that's pretty cool, right? Well, take a look at this other channel called Meditative Mind. They are literally having 4.3 million subscribers, and what they're making videos about is these like soothe your mind and body, sounds of ocean. You know, you see 3 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours here as well. And this is more of a music, and this niche is very, very big. I do have another video about that if you want to go more in depth about it. But take a look at this other channel called Motivation Manifested. This channel literally has 44 uploads and got 201,000 subscribers, 10 million views, and you can see that they deleted some of their videos recently, but they're getting anywhere from 5 to 10,000 views each and every day. So just pull out the calculator. Let's say that they're getting about 6,000 views every day for 30 days. That's about 180,000 views. The last couple of months, they got 500,000 views and then 1.7 million views, which is making them quite a lot of money. But literally all they're doing is having these speeches of Joe Dispenza, and in the background, they have some stock footage and stock videos. You can see these right here, some simple video editing, and that's pretty much it. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. The last channel I wanted to show you is this channel, Clarity Coaching. They are making right now 440,000 views the last 30 days. And when you think about the monthly earnings here, it's definitely on the higher level, because for self-help, for personal development, there is so many products out there, and literally they buy anything. So this niche is extremely high CPM, and also the profit potential is very big. And the videos that they're producing is also very much the same. As you can see, this is Joe Dispenza right here with some stock footage in the background. And if you want to know how to do this, so the first step is to search for Joe Dispenza. Oh no, my camera turned off. Anyways, and you can take some of his speeches. Now, another character that shows up a lot in these manifestation niche is Bob Proctor. He is the guy behind the Law of Attraction and The Secret, and he loves when people take his speeches or old recordings and then remakes it into something new. So you can just search for that, and here you can see that he's streaming pretty much every day, He's teaching lessons, and these can all be turned into manifestation, motivation type content. The next step you need to do is to go to pixabay.com. You can go to pexels.com or unsplash.com. This is where you can get free, royalty-free content that you can literally use right in your video completely for free. They even have videos. For example, if you go to Pexels, you can search for manifest, and then you can click on videos, and here you have 79 completely free videos that you can use. So all of these videos right here, you can completely use in your video and they're looking really cool. So you can make some crazy content out of this. Search for meditation. You can use all of this completely for free. One of the services that I use personally is called Storyblocks. The pricing on this one is not so much. I think it's very much worth it. You don't have to have all access. You can just click on the video and then you can get the unlimited video for like 16 euros a month. Just know that I'm not affiliated with Storyblocks at all. I just personally use it myself. Now, once you got the speech and you got the video, you need to do step number 3. And step number 3 is literally to download DaVinci Resolve 17. This is a free video software that is the best right now. It was used to create big blockbuster movies, but now they're actually focusing on the creators, which is you that's watching right now. Hopefully, I think so. And so literally all you need to do is take the speech, take a lot of different stock images, and then add some text on top of it, and you could be getting 400,000 views every 30 days. You have the same going on right here, making this one of the absolute easiest ways for you to make money on Clickbank with free traffic. So do you think that you can create a YouTube channel like this and make big affiliate commissions with Clickbank?